can use Nano Banana on WhatsApp for free. Without leaving your WhatsApp, you can generate images, edit photos, change background of images without leaving your WhatsApp. Yes, you heard me right. Without leaving your WhatsApp. You don't need Google AI Studio or the Gemini app. Just follow the step that I'm going to show you in this video. Open WhatsApp and save this number. Just save it on your smartphone device. Now, when saving, you can name it Perplexity AI, so you will remember it whenever you want to use it. So this number is connected to Nano Banana model through Perplexity AI, and the good part is that Perplexity AI is free to use on WhatsApp. So once you save the number, just open a chat with it like you normally do with your friends. You understand? So that is it. No app installation, no Google AI Studio, no Gemini app. It is as easy as that. Now let's move to the next step. Now that you've opened the chat, you can send message to Perplexity AI just like you do when you want to test someone. For example, you can edit photo you want to edit. So let's say you have a picture of yourself wearing a red shirt. You can type a simple command or prompt in English or even in your local languages. For instance, you can write change the clothes to radiant blue with white stripes. So make it very realistic and don't touch the face. So once you send this, it's just sit back and wait for the result in just few seconds. So then you will get your result instantly within seconds. Perplexity AI will send you back your edited pictures, and here is the interesting part. It doesn't change your face at all. The consistency is intact, meaning it will look exactly like you. So if you want to download the image, don't click here because it will only take you to Google Play Store to download Perplexity app. So what you should do is to click the image and click on three dots button on the top right corner, then click on save. Let's compare it with the original picture right now. So we will see the difference clearly. Its color is now blue with stripes, but the face remains untouched, clean and sharp and realistic. As you can see, this is me using Nano Banana by just chatting on my WhatsApp. So that's how simple it is. You don't need to install Gemini or stretch yourself with Google AI Studio. Everything works right and it is inside WhatsApp through Perplexity AI. What if you want to generate product images like this? So check one of the videos showing on your screen right now. If you find this tutorial useful, don't just leave, hit the like button, subscribe, and of course share this video with your friends so they too can start enjoying Nano Banana inside their WhatsApp. Thanks for watching and I will catch you on the next one.